Okay, so we're going to wind the bobbin on. I like to use the metal ones. You can see these ones here. I've got all these little holes in the top, which are really important. Okay, so I've got some thread. I've a tendency to use cones because I sew with a lot of thread. Okay, so you pop it on the spool spindle. It wiggles around quite a bit because it's so big, but don't let that worry you. It'll be grand. Round this little bit here, which is the bobbin thread guide. Okay, and then we're going to take the end of our thread here and we're going to put it through one of these holes on the top, so you can see it's like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pop it on the bobbin winder spindle and we're going to push it to the right. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to pull out our balance wheel, because if we don't do that, the needle will just keep going straight up and down the whole time that we are winding this on. Okay, so keeping hold of that thread, you don't want to let go. Off we go. Okay, and then you get some resistance when it hits up against the bobbin winder stopper, and that means you just have to snip, push it back and pull it, and there we have a fully wound on bobbin. Now what I would recommend doing is the little thread that we use at the top to catch at the start is to snip it off, because it can be a right pain in the proverbial sometimes when you put it into your bobbin. Okay.